living in a moment where AI is everywhere, and for most finance leaders, that's a lot to sort through. Day 2 of Sage Future changed that conversation. When the data, the logic, the reasoning is visible to you, something shifts. You stop being a passenger in your own process, and you start being the one driving it.
I'm looking forward to showing up early with my laptop and getting that hands-on training that I can take back and apply to our organization.
The insights that I've gained so far here at Sage Future is that we all are wondering the same questions: how to implement AI in an appropriate manner and just how to continue to grow.
Tech has done a really good job of helping me enhance my abilities, my insights, my skills, and the way by which I learn and develop as a leader.
We're building AI that you can trust with accountability, control, and confidence.
So that's why we have initiatives like our AI Trust Label, helping you to see how your data is being used.
That's not the promise of what AI might do someday. That's what it's delivering right now for real finance teams at real companies. It's 2 days down and 1 left, and we're saving the best for last. We'll wrap things up and talk about what it takes to perform when the pressure's at its highest. I'll see you then.